Mortalevo. What up, y'all? Zolo. Hey on that JoJo. What you do, cause do you boo-boo. This real MC, this don't include you.
Alright. Before I get back to the hot music. Zikr-Allah, la ilaha illallah. When I got to CHEIKH Fall in Philadelphia, second time, I had a conversation with the Sheikh. And I said, CHEIKH, I know I'm already blessed, because if I wasn't blessed, I wouldn't be here. Just the fact that I'm here, I know I'm blessed, so you ain't really got to ask me to be blessed. But when I'm out here in the dunya, out here in the world, is there anything I could do or say? He was like, say Ya Rahman or Ya Allah 1,000 times in the morning, 1,000 times at night, and don't miss it. I said, CHEIKH Fall. Said, say 1,000 Ya Rahmans in the morning, and 1,000 Ya Rahmans at night, and don't miss it. Hey, Sheikh, my bad. CHEIKH Fall. My bad. Hey, Sheikh. Okay. Anyway, so immediately, I ran into like a bead that had 1,000 beads on it. So immediately I get it in, right? But here's the significance of that. Ya Rahman meaning O protector. A 1,000 times. Cool. So that's like you landed on the top of the Appalachian Mountain and sitting on the cloud, standing on one tippy toe, a little dude in the lotus pose said to you, say this. That's the equivalent of CHEIKH. No. Man, you niggas is not hearing what I'm talking about. I said, hear me out. CHEIKH Fall. I'm back. Anyway, CHEIKH Fall. I'm back. Can be in his room inside of Tuba. And you could be in Brooklyn. In the middle of a strip club. Sitting at the bar. And a spider is about to bite the shit out of you, and CHEIKH Fall can knock it off, and he in Tuba, West Africa, and you in Brooklyn in the strip club sitting at the bar, and a spider is about to bite you, and CHEIKH Fall can knock that shit off. Holla at your boy. Okay? Told me. So if someone at that equivalent, who that cool with God, tell you to say something, I mean, especially if you ask him. Like, it's not like he came like, you better say this. Thou shalt say this, or thou shalt. No, I asked him. I said, Chuck, when I'm out here, what can a brother do like me? You know what I mean? I be bubbling and shit. I be everywhere. What can I do to stay protected? He said, say Ya Rahman 1,000 times in the morning, 1,000 times a night. Don't miss it. Though we added an extra piece, though, that don't miss it. And something about that. Don't, man. Then I see him the second time. Look, I see him again. I just see him this summer. Remember I brought him to the radio station? He came to Richmond and prayed for everybody on the radio. Remember, y'all remember that? Wake up. All right, so look. I see them again. I'm like, Shaq, it's been 2 years since I seen you, Shaq. How you living, baby? You know, we pieced it up. We chopped it up. And Shaq, look, I've been running the Ya Rahman. I've been doing the Ya Rahman for like a year and a half now. It's 2 years later since you gave it to me. I already know I'm protected. I'm good. You know what I mean? I'm walking through like, boom, I'm brolic. I ain't worried about it mess with me. So, I found out that as I was doing the Ya Rahmans, that the only protection that I needed from anybody was just protection for myself. I found that I really didn't have no enemies. I was my own worst enemy. So, what could you give me this time so I could beat myself up? He was like, say Ya Rahman 1,000 times in the morning, 1,000 times a night, and don't miss it. just keep pushing. Keep pushing, so that's why I told you, don't miss it. So I still hit my 1,000-yard rock mans in the morning, 1,000 in the morning, at night. We don't miss it. But just to add some extra strength, power to you, you know. Because sometimes you little naffs want to get out of hand sometimes. You naffs want to get out of hand, you know. You know them lower desires and naffs. Stuff below your rock man, your curry, your nigga. Stuff below your rock man, your cellar, your curry, and diggle. Stuff below your rock man, your cellar, your curry, and diggle. Them little naffs that get out of hand. Stuff below rock man, your cellar, your curry, and diggle. So, as you can see, I added a astaghfirullah to the Yarakman. Astaghfirullah meaning forgive me, so astaghfirullah. Remember I said this to protect you from myself? Because we our own worst enemies? So cool. So I added a astaghfirullah, Yarakman. Yasaliyu. Serene Salyu said, if anybody go to hell on my watch, I would be ashamed. Serene Salyu said, if anyone goes to hell or was to go while he was here and on his watch, he would be ashamed when he get back to Allah. So that's why we say, Astaghfirullah, Yarakman, Yasaliyu, Yakara. Peace be upon him. Yakhara. Jeffrey Yakhara. Bamba Fepp. Bamba Avio. Yakhara. Anybody got a problem? Anybody got a problem with that? Okay. Ain't got to add on why to that. Yakhara. And then of course Yadigo. Fuck. So we add them all together. We do 1,000 in the morning and 1,000 at night. Astaghfirullah. Yarakman. Yasaliyu. Your cutter, your digger. Next beat. Astaghfirullah. Your rockman, your seller, your cutter, your digger. Astaghfirullah, your rockman, your seller, your cutter, your digger. Astaghfirullah, your rockman, your seller, your cutter, your digger. Astaghfirullah, your rockman, your seller, your cutter, your digger. Astaghfirullah, rockman, your seller, your cutter, your digger. Astaghfirullah, rockman, your seller, your cutter, your digger. Astaghfirullah. Astaghfirullah, rockman.